Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is number series, coding, decoding, and odd man out, right? So, you must have come to know that there is 20 marks weightage to logical reasoning, and so we are going to have fun doing those sums. Now, what happens here is that you have a number series and you even have what are known as alphabets. Okay, alphabets may be in the series or numbers may be in the series. So let us dive into what is given in our study material, and then we are going to solve exercise 9A as much as possible. We would like to cover each and everything. Okay. Yes, Shambhavi, good afternoon. Yes. Okay. So, as I told you that you can see that there are two types of series. One is the number series and one is the alphabet series. Now, what happens in the number series is, see, for example, in example 1, they will give you numbers and they will ask you to fill in the blanks, that one number is missing and they will ask you to fill it. So, how do we do it? We will see what are the various methods in which we can do that. So what may happen is that in the series, you may have that the difference is constant or the difference is increasing or decreasing. Third type may be that it is a multiple. Okay, so second number is a multiple of first, third number is a multiple of first. You can have it in that way. Or you may need to know your squares, you need to know your cubes, you need to know your prime numbers. So what is very important in trying to solve questions on logical reasoning are three things. That is that you must know your tables, right? The normal tables. Because see, what happens is just looking at the sum, maybe you will be able to understand, oh, this is a table of 13, okay, or 17. Normal tables, 8, 9 table we know, but if you know the tables of all your prime numbers, so what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19. So those, if you know, it will be helpful to you. Second, you must know all your prime numbers and you must know your squares of the numbers. You must know the cubes of the number. So that once you see, say suppose 49, then you'll be able to realize, oh, this is 7 square. So then you will start checking. 36, 49, oh, this is 6 square, this is 7 square. So it becomes easier. Okay. Or if maybe you see 64, you can take it as 8 square, or you may think of it as 4 cube. Okay, so all those things you will be able to make out if you know these things. Many students find difficulty in solving logical reasoning because they miss out on the basics. So you have to know these basics. Okay, and always remember that in these type of series you have to just very carefully. Initially, you have to be very careful while finding the difference. If you make an arithmetical mistake there, that is your mistake, then you will not be able to get the answer. Okay. So first type of examples are find this missing terms. Second type of questions that they may ask you is example 2, find the wrong terms of the series. Okay. 9, 29, 65, those type of things. Then third type is find the missing term of the series. So you may have a missing term in between the series that is missing, they're asking you, or they may point you to, they'll give you the series and ask you to find the missing term in the end. Then important is this alphabet series. Now what happens in alphabet is you must realize that start practicing this, A, B, C, D. So you know that A has a value 1, B has a value 2, okay? So that way. But also remember what is the value for A, what is the value for E, what is the value for O. So in between numbers also you must know, like A is 1, E is 5, O is 15. So that way you must be able to know. Otherwise, what will happen is that if I want to find L, I will start from A, B, C, D. Instead of that, if I already know what is L, I will be able to find out E, then I'll be able to find out what is L. So what is the 5th letter? What is the 10th letter? What is the 15th, 20th and 25th? What is the 25th? Why? Because why is it? You know that there are 26 alphabets. So you will be able to do that. Also, you may have the inverse series also. For alphabets, you may have the inverse series. So that A is given number 26, B is given 25. So both these series, if you know that if it is in the increasing order, 5 stands for E. What happens if it is in the decreasing order? What stands? V stands for 5. Okay. So those are very simple things that you should know about in the alphabet series. That is one type of questions in alphabet. The second type of questions that you may have in alphabet is coding. So in what happens in coding is they will already give you, the code. That say for D, they are saying, I'm going to give the number 7. So don't question there because that is coding, right? Because we don't want the other person to know what code we have given. Otherwise, if you are just following D is 4, then anybody can read it. So when जब हमको स्पेशल छुपा के किसी को मैसेज भेजना है तो मैं क्या बोलती हूँ कि मैं D को 7 देने वाली हूँ. So in that case, what happens? I am giving D as 7, so they will give you. In coding questions, they will give you the code for the alphabets and then they will ask you to make the code for a given word. Okay, so that is another type of question. Then you may have letter series also. Okay, so you may have ABB, ABB. So then then the series is that way. Then ABC, BCD. Okay, so you may have those type of series also. Then coding and decoding. So you may have letter coding and you may have number coding. As I already told you, numbers are represented by letters or letters are represented by numbers. Then here they will give you a code and they will ask you to form a code or they will give you 2-3 words in codes. Okay, and then they will ask you to decipher or they will ask you to find out what is the find out the decoding of the words. Okay. You will understand this when we are doing the sum. So I'm trying to just tell you what exactly these types of questions are. Okay. Then the next type of questions they may ask you is odd man out. Means what? There is a series. In odd man out, what happens? There is a series and then one number or one alphabet is mistaken. Okay, or misplaced over there. So what happens is then you have to find out which is the number which is incorrectly put over there. That is called as odd man out. Okay. Or you may even have this like suppose they will give you months. Okay, they may say January, July, December and February. So in this case, what will happen? February will be the odd man out. Why? Because January, July and December all have 31 days in the month. But February has 28 or 29. So in that case, what will happen is February will be the odd man out. So you may have those type of questions also. Okay, so we will be now going in for the questions. Okay, so we are doing this question on the series. I'm purposely taking the screenshot over here so that I want to show you how in the place that the numbers are given, you will try to solve it over there. That will not only save your time, okay, that will not only save your time, but you will not make the mistake. No? Like if this is 6, 11, 21 and you're writing it somewhere else, what will happen is while writing also you may make a mistake. In when you have a full length question paper, there is no that problem, you have a whole answer sheet, but here you will have very less space to make your rough page. So that is why it is important that such sums you try and solve it in the where the question is there itself. So now you can see the first question we are doing is, just let me see whether there are any questions. Bala Sanjana, put in the question exercise also. Just writing, please solve example 5. It is not going to help, You need to write the exercise number also. Yes, Jnanesh, it is possible to score full marks in logical reasoning, provided you do all the sums very properly. It is possible to get good marks here. And Sanjana, just write the question once. Don't write it repeatedly because it is of no use that way. Okay. All the others, yes, good afternoon. Now let us quickly go to question number 1. What is question number 1? 6, 11, 21, 36 and 56. Okay. Now let us see what are the differences. So I always tell my students, I do this way. 6 minus 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay. Then 21 minus 11 is 10. 36 minus 21 is how much? This is 15. 56 minus 36 is 20. Right? From here you are able to make out what is the series? That the difference is a multiple of 5. Okay? So this is a multiple of 5. So what will be the next difference? 5, 10, 15, 20. So obviously 25. So what will be this number? So this number will be 56 plus 25. What is 56 plus 25? 7, 8. 81. So what is the answer? C is the answer. 81. Okay? Understood? Yes. So let us go to the next sum. What is the difference here? This is 100 minus 10 is 90. 200 minus 100 is 100. 310 minus 200, 110. Can you see what is happening over here? So we go to one more step. What is the difference? 100 minus 90, 10. 110 minus 100, 10. So what should happen here? What should be the number? The difference should be 10. 110 plus 10, this is 120. This is 110 plus 10. Okay. So this is 120. So what will be the number here? The number will be 310 plus 120, which is equal to how much? 430, right? 430. So what will be my answer? First option is 400. So this is 430. Okay. Let us go to the next sum. What is the difference here? 13 minus 11, difference is 2. 17 minus 13, difference is 4. 19 minus 17, difference is 2. 23 minus 19, difference is 4. Again 2, again 4. Can you see what is happening here? 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So what will be the next difference? 2. So this difference has to be 2. So what will be the number? 29 plus 2. This 29 and plus 2. What will I get here? 31. So where is my 31? Oh, there is no 31 here. Okay. So what is happening? Okay. Here what is happening is, so there is a printing mistake here. So this should be 31 because you cannot have 29 again. Okay. So because in the answer they have given option C. So this has to be 31. Okay. So this is a mistake. Okay. Printing mistake. Okay. Now let us go to the next sum. Fourth sum. What is the difference? 12 minus 6? 6. 21 minus 6? 21 minus 12? 9. 33 minus 21. 33 minus 21 is how much? Just let's see. 33 minus 21 is 12. Right? So what will be? Can you see? This is a table of 3. Okay, 3. This is 6, 9, 12. So difference should be 15. Right? So what will be the number? 33 plus 15, which is equal to 48. So what will be the answer? D, that is 48 will be the answer. Okay, now let us go to the next sum. That is fifth sum. This difference is how much? 5 minus 2. This is 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 14 minus 9, 5. Now here what is happening? They are asking a missing number between the series. So I don't know this difference, right? And I don't know this difference. Now I can see what is happening to the difference. Difference is increasing. Difference is increasing by 1. So what should this difference be? This difference should be 6. And what should this difference be? This difference should be 7. So I will say 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Okay. So I think the answer is 20. But let me verify whether 20 is correct. Because 27 minus 20. Let us see. 27 minus 20 is 7. Isn't this the same difference? Right? So what do I have? The answer should be 20 because difference is increasing by 1, 3, 4, 5. So next will be this. So answer is A. Correct? Next sum. Sixth sum. 11 minus 6 is 5. 21 minus 11 is 10. Okay. Then again I don't know. Here also I don't know. How much is 81 minus 56? 81 minus 56. The difference is 25. Can you see this difference? Difference is table of 5. Okay. Difference is table of 5. So this is 5, 10. What will this difference be? 15. And what will this difference be? 20. So 21 plus 15. 21 plus 15. How much is this? 36. Let us verify. 56 minus that number should give me 20. So 56 minus 36 is 20. Right? So what is the number? 36. Which is this option? B, 36. Seventh sum. 18 minus 10 is 8. 28 minus 18 is 10. 40 minus 28 is 12. 54 minus 20 is 14. Then I don't know this difference and I don't know this difference. What is this? This is a table of 2. Difference has a table of 2. Because 8, 10, 12, 14, then this difference will be what? Because it is 8, 10, 12, 14, this should be 16 and this should be 18. So let us see 54 plus 16 is how much? 5, 6, 70. Right? And 88 minus 70 is 18. Right? This is same as this. So what should be my answer? 70. So A will be my correct answer. Next. Now see here, careful, this is a decreasing one. Decreasing difference. Okay. So now be careful with the sign also, and when you add also, now you will have subtraction, not addition. How much is 120 minus 99? 120 minus 99 is 21. How much is this difference? I don't know. How much is this difference? I don't know, because I don't know this number. I'm not able to find this. But they will always give you something more. So this is minus 21. 99 minus 120. 99 minus 120 is minus 21. Then we have 48 minus 63. What is 48 minus 63? This difference is minus 15. Then 35 minus 48. 35 minus 48 minus 30. Can you see what is this difference? This difference is 2. Okay. So what is happening is that there is a possibility that this difference is 2. So if this is minus 21, so what I do is this is minus 21 dash dash 15 minus 15 minus 30. Okay. Since this difference is 2, let me see. 21 plus 2, minus 21 plus 2 is how much? Minus 19. Minus 19 plus 2 is how much? Minus 17. Minus 17 plus 2 is how much? Minus 15. So my series is this way. So there is a decrease of my decreasing series and difference of decreasing series with difference of plus 2. Okay. So here what is happening? The difference is decreasing. So 99, they will be 19. So 99 minus 19 is how much? 99 minus 19 is 80. And 80 minus that number 17 should give me 63. So 80 minus 17 is how much? 80 minus 17 is 63, right? Right? So I have got this 63. So what is my number? 80. So what is my option? A will be my correct option. Okay. I hope you've understood till here. Just put it in the chat box whether or not you've understood. Yes. Just let me know whether or not you've understood. Just get the new sums over here. Okay. I think you've understood. Yes. Good, good. If you're understanding, fine. So, Shiba, no. See, difference is 21. Just let me show you. Here, see, Shiba. This is minus 21. 99 minus 120 is minus 21. Then minus 15 minus 13. So what is happening here is, let me write it again. This is minus 21. Then two differences I don't know. Then minus 15. Then minus 13. I get the hint from here. This difference is, let me put it in another color. Okay, this difference is how much? Minus 2. Now see, when I'm jumping from here to here, and then from here to here, and then this. How many jumps are there? 1, 2, and 3. What is the difference? Minus 21 plus, minus of minus 15. So this will be minus 21 plus 15. There is a difference of 6, right? Minus 6. How many jumps are there? 1, 2, and 3. I already know this is minus 2. So what will be each jump? This will be minus 2, this will be minus 2, and this will be minus 2. Okay? Minus 2, minus 2. So 21 minus of minus 2, this will become 19. Then difference. This minus 19 plus 2 will become minus 17. And so this is the case. Okay? Hope you have understood? Yes. Eight sum. Abhinav, I hope you've understood. Okay? If you want, let me just write it again over here. See. This is a decreasing series. Okay, so 120, 99, question mark, 63, 48, and 35. From the numbers itself, you are able to see? Yes, Chandan, I'm explaining. Please, please just see this. Sri Gauri, good, you are understood? Yes, let the others also get to know it. Okay, so as you can see from this, you know that this is a decreasing series. Now let us see what is the difference. What is 99 minus 120? This I know is minus 21. Second number minus first number. But here what will happen? I don't know. Because this difference I am not able to find out. This difference also I don't know. But here I am able to find out. 48 minus 63. What is the difference? 48 minus 63 minus 15, right? This is minus 15. And then what is 35 minus 48? 35 minus 48, this is minus 30. Okay. So here I come to know, but from here also I don't know, because this difference and this difference, where there is question mark, I don't know. So what I do is, I try to find further difference. What is this difference? This is plus 2. Minus 15 plus 2 gives me minus 30. Now let me try this. Minus 15 and this is 2. So what will this be? If I take this also 2 and this also 2. So with what number when I add 2 will give me minus 15? This is minus 17. If in minus 17 I add 2, I will get minus 15. What should I add 2 to 2 so that I get minus 17? Okay. What this means is x plus 2 is equal to minus 17. So what will happen? X will be equal to minus 17. This 2 when I take to this side, it will become minus. So plus 2 becomes minus 2. So minus 17 minus 2 is minus 90. So what will happen? This is minus 90. So that what should be the number? This number. So 99 plus minus 19 is how much? 99 minus 19 is how much? This is 80. Okay. So this is how you get this answer. Hope you've understood now, Chandan, Abhinav. Okay? Understood? Thank you for your patience, Sri Gauri. Now let us go to the next sum. Now we have, let us see what is happening over here. 24 minus 2, difference is 2. 28 minus 24, difference is 4. 36 minus 28, difference is 8. Now what happens? I don't know. And this difference, I don't know. Now what is happening? Can you see this is 2, 4. You don't have 6 here. Okay. So this is not a question on table of 2. Now what can happen here? That's why I'm telling you, you should know all your cubes, squares. As you can see, the chapter on indices is, that's why very important. This difference is 2 raised to 1. What is this difference? This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 2. What is this difference? 8. 8 is 2 raised to 3. So this difference should be 2 raised to 4 and this difference should be 2 raised to 5. Let us see whether that is happening. Now 2 raised to 4 is how much? 16. Now let us see. 36 plus 16 is how much? 52. 2 raised to 5 is how much? 32. How much is 52 plus 32? 52 plus 32 is 84, right? This number and this number tallies. That means this thing that we have worked out is correct. So that my number 36 plus 16 is 52. So 52 is the correct answer. So 9th question, B is the correct answer. Okay. So here it is a bit tricky that you have 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, that way. Now let us see this one. Now, what is this difference? This is a big number, 5840. 5840 minus 4832. Difference is 1008. Then 6848 minus 5840. Difference is again 1008. See, so that is why I'm telling you that when there are huge numbers, you may get afraid, you know. इतना बड़ा number है, calculate करने में time लगेगा. But from here you can see the difference is coming as same. This is 7856 minus 6848. Difference is 1008. So what will this difference be? Again 1008. So since this is an increasing series, so what will it be? 1008 plus 7856. Answer should be, so that is 7856 plus 1008 is equal to 8864. Okay. So A will be the correct answer. Be very careful. Sometimes we are in a hurry. We just read 88 and we may tick C. But C is not the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Okay. 11 sum. We have already done this sum. I think by mistake they have repeated this number question. Because this difference is 90. This difference is 100. This difference is 110. This difference is 120. So next difference will be 130. Okay, so 130. So this will be 430 plus 130 is 560. So 11th answer is A. Okay. Now going to the 12th sum. What is happening over here? 33 minus 28. How much is 33 minus 28? This difference is 5. Then this difference is how much? 31 minus 33 minus 2. Then 36 minus 31 difference is plus 5. What is happening? This is 34 minus 36 is minus 2. Can you see the series here? The difference is a series minus 5 is the series plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, so what will come next? This will be plus 5. So what will happen? 34 plus 5, which is equal to 39. So what will be the number? B, 39. Next sum will be 13th sum. Now as you can see, this is 120 and the last term is 15. So what will happen? This is a decreasing series. This is a decreasing series. So what will be the difference? 80 minus 120 minus 40. This will be again minus 40. This is equal to 5. And this is equal to I don't know. And this is also equal to I don't know. Now what is happening here? Is this the case? What is happening? I am not able to find out, right? When I find the difference, I am not getting the answer. Now, here is where your tables come into picture. Now, can you see, when I see in the reverse direction, okay, when I see in the reverse direction, what will I get? This is 15, question mark, 45, 40. Am I getting any answer? No. Again, I can see 15, 30, 45, but again I have 40. Now, that is why, see, you will have to try 2-3 methods before you come to the conclusion. Like Sri Gauri was saying that these are easy questions. No, they will give you certain questions which will require an application of your mind also. So, here what happened is, in the earlier sums, we were able to follow a proper series. Now, in this, what is happening? We used to have only same difference everywhere, no? Up till now. Now, this question is a bit different. Let me just show you. So, I tried to find the difference. I am not getting. I tried to find whether this is a series table of 15. That is also not there. So, now what do I do? Now, I must try to find out the relation between them. Let me take a color. 120, 80, 40. Can you see that this is one and then this is another? Because here you see this is 40 into 1, this is 40 into 2 and this is 40 into 3. How did I find out? Because I see this is 40 and this is 120. Here I see this is 15 and this is 45. That is why. And this will happen only by practice. The more you practice, you will start realizing. So this is 15 into 1 and this is 15 into 3. So what will this be? This will be 15 into 2. Okay, so what is 15 into 2? Answer is 30. I found this because this is 40, 80 and 120. So I could see this is a table of 40. Here the next group of 3 numbers is 15-45. So I am thinking 15 and 45. What is the relation? 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. And that is why I take this as the correct answer because this is happening over here, right? I hope you followed till here. I'm just copying sums one by one in the sheet so that you are able to understand. Just take in what we have done, try to understand, and then we will go ahead. Yes? Have you understood? Yes? Put it in the chat box whether or not you have understood. Okay? Questions are loading. Just a minute. Yeah. Let us go to the next question till the question 12. Just let me see, Ritik. What are you trying to say? Question 12. Oh, yes. In question 12, there are two series also. Yes, you can do that way also, right? Just let me show it to you. So, but you should be able to find it out. Like he's saying, this is 28, then 31, then 34, okay, that way, and then 33, 36, okay. So you can do it that way also. But again, this difference is 3, then this difference is 3. So that way also you can do. So you can take this difference as 3. 34 minus 31 is 3. 33 minus 36 is 3. So that way you can have it. Okay. So you can do it that way also. No problem. Mayank, see 120 minus 80 is 120 minus 40 is 80. Then 45 minus 15 is 30. But there, like, we don't have numbers over there. What will you subtract from while considering 80? Okay, the next, how will you go about it? That is why this is there with a chunk of 3 each. Okay, 3 numbers, they will form a group. And next 3 numbers, they are forming a group. Yes, Kushi, we haven't reached there, right? Question 13 again. Okay. Yes, Harshita. So what is happening here is that once I see the series, okay, I'll just write it here again. 120, 80, 40, 45, question mark, 50. Now what is happening here is that I'm not able to do anything over here because this is 180 minus 80 minus 180, decreasing. 45 minus 80, decreasing. But I have 45 minus 40. Is it decreasing? No, it is increasing. Okay, so this decreases. This is decreasing. Here it is increasing. And what happens here? I don't know. But this number is decreasing, right? From 45 to 50, it is decreasing. Twice it is decreasing, once it is increasing. That means, see, that initially what I had thought that this is a decreasing series is not holding. So I must try to find out. Now, here I could see that there is this relation 140, 120, 80 and 40. I can see 4, 8, 12. I know this is a table of 4. And because it is 40, 80, it is a table of 40. Here again 45 dash and 15. Again I can see 15 ones are, 15 twos are, and 15 threes are 45. Therefore, I have seen that this is a group of 3. Okay. I hope you've understood, Harshita, now. Now let us go to the next question. Yes, Varshne, I hope you've understood now. We are taking the next sums. Now 15 minus 2 is 13. 41 minus 15. What is 41 minus 15? 26. Now 80 minus 41. 39. Then 132 minus 80, 52. Now this is very important that you know tables of prime numbers is so important. Wait, sorry. Okay, tables, prime numbers is very important for logical reasoning. See, because once you see these numbers 13, 26, 39, this means what? This is a table of 13. Table of 13. So what will happen? Next will be how much? 52. So 13 5s are 65. 13 5s are 65. 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. So number will be what? 132 plus 65. What will it be? 7, 9, 1. 197. So D will be the correct answer. Right? So D will be the correct answer. Understood? That is why you must know your prime. Now let us see. 17 minus 6, 11. 39 minus 17, 22. This is I don't know and this is I don't know. Now let us see. 116 minus 39 is how much? 77. Okay. 116 minus 39 is 77. Now I can see this is 11 ones are, this is 11 twos are. Then what do I do? 11 threes are. Let us see what happens. This is, if I take this difference as 33 and this as 44, isn't this difference equal to 77? Yes. So this will be 39 plus 33, which is equal to 6, and this is 72. Let me check. 72 plus 44, because the next difference is 44. 72 plus 44 is how much? 6 and 116, right? So this 116 is tallying with this 116. So what is the required number? 72. So A will be the correct answer. Okay, 15th question, A is the correct answer, that is 72. So here also you saw this is a table of 11. 11 is a prime number. Again, so in 14th and 15th, you must know your prime number tables. Now let us go to the 16th sum. What is this difference? 4 minus 1? This is 3. What is this difference? 6. 10 minus 4. What is this difference? 12. What is this difference? I don't know. And what is this difference? I don't know. Okay. So what is happening over here? Is it 3, 6, 9? No, it is not that. So we don't have table of 3. But can you see here that 6 is equal to 3 into 2? What is 12? 12 is equal to 6 into 2, right? So can you see that the difference is a multiplication, is twice the first difference. So 6 is double of 3, 12 is double of 6. So what will this be? This difference should be 24 because 12 twos are 24, 22 twos are 48. So let us see. Let us check. So 22 plus 24. How much is that? 46. This is 46. And how much is 46 plus 48? Because this difference is 48. This is equal to 494. Isn't this number 94? Yes. So what we have found out is correct. So the number that we are trying to find out is 46. So 16th also answer is A. So here what is happening is the difference here, the difference is twice the earlier difference. Okay, understood? So let us go to the 17th sum. Now here, see, you can see 4, you can see 9, you can see 25, right? Then 48, then 169. Let us see. This is 48 over here. 289 square root, let us see how much is that. 289 square root is 17. Okay. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 5 square. This is 48. This is just a number that I don't realize. This is question mark. This is 13 square. This is 17 square. And this is 361 square root is 19. Okay. I think 48 is a printing mistake. So this should be 49. Okay. If this is 49, what will happen? This will be 7 square. Okay, this is 49, this is 7 square. So what will happen is 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Then you see 13 square, 17 square, 19 square. What is this? This means that this is a series of prime number square. Okay, this is a series of prime number square. So what will happen? What is missing here? This missing will be 9 square. And this will be 11 square. There are two missing. This difference is missing and this difference is missing. So 9 square and 11 square. So this should be 81 and then 11 square will be 121. So we have this to be equal to not 9 square. This is 11, sorry. Because we are talking about prime numbers. So it will not be 81. Sorry. There's only one question mark, right? So this will be 121, that is 11 squares. Because this is 2 square, 3 square, 5 square and then 11 square. So answer will be B, that is 121. There is a mistake. It is not 48, it should be 49. So that we have squares of prime numbers. So 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, and then we will have 11 square. So this is a series of prime number whole square, right? Then 18th sum. Let us see. What is this difference? 12 minus 4. This is 8. 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12 is 24. This difference I don't know and this difference I don't know. This is 324 minus 36. Difference is 288. This difference is 288. Now what is happening over here is this to 288. So let me try. This is 8 3s are 24. Okay, the difference is 8 3s are 24. So here in difference, let us see 24 into 3 is how much? 24 into 3 is 72. Okay. And 72 into 3 is how much? 72 into 3 is how much? 216. 72 into 3 is 216. What is the difference? 216 plus 72. This is also 288. Right? This difference I am getting correct. So my assumption that this is into 3 into 3. The difference is into 3. First difference was 8. Next difference is 24. Then 24 into 3, difference should be 72. So this will be 36 plus 72, which is equal to 218. Oh, sorry, not 218. Sorry. That is 36 plus 72 is 108. This is 108. So 36 plus 72 is 108. Okay. So here we have got this answer. Just let me know if you followed till here. Yes. So what you have to see is you have to check for whether there are prime numbers. Okay. You have to check that. Then you have to check whether there are squares or cubes. Then you have to check whether there is a difference. So initially start off with the simplest one, that is find out whether there are any difference. Increasing difference, decreasing difference, that way. Then after that, once you found that whether when that is not the case, then you should check whether you can do something else. What is the something else that you can do? Is you can check whether or not there is a like square, cube, that type you can see. If that is not the case, check whether there are groups. Okay, like in the earlier sum we saw that the series is in terms of groups. So you can check that also, whether it is series group. Okay, just let me check. Yes, very good, Akashnil. Yes, Srigori, very good, very good. 14 question, no, which question? Question number 18. For threes are, yeah, that is also possible. Okay. Who has written this? Ritik, yes. Ritik, that is also possible. Ritik is saying this is 4 into 3 is 12. Then 12 into 3 is 36. Then 36 into 3 will be 72. Okay. Sorry, 108. 36 into 3 is 108. Then 108 into 3 will be equal to 324. Okay. So that is also possible. Yeah? You can do it this way or you can do it this way. So because you can see 4, 12, 36. So you can see that it is multiplication of 3. Okay. So see, that is the beauty of this, because this is something that is in power of some number or multiplication of some number. So this question I could do it by finding the difference also, and I could do it by, as Ritik pointed out, by multiplication also. Very good. Now let us go to the next sum. Now here, let us see. This is see 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, then something, then 16, then 64. Okay. So what happens is, I can see 16 also, that I know is 4 square. I know this is as 4 cube. This is 1 square. This is 2 square. This is 2 cube. This is 3 square. See, so can you see that there are some numbers that are squares and some numbers that are cube? This means that these are two series. These are two series. Okay. So what will be the first series? 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. What will be the next series? Because I've already taken 1, 4, 9. Okay. So next series will be 1, 8, question mark, 64 and so on. Right? So what is this? This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. What is this? This is 1 cube, 2 cube. This should be 3 cube and because this is 4 cube. So what will be the number? 3 cube. So what is 3 cube? Answer is 27. Okay. How did I find this? Because I could see 4 also, I could see 8 also, I could see 9 also, I could see 16 also, and I can see 64 also. Because of that, that is why you must know your squares and cubes. Because just looking at that, I could make out that this must be two series. Okay. So that is why I have taken the first series, that is a square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next will be 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on. So 3 cube is 27. Now let us see the 20th question. 5760, this is something. This is decreasing, but this I think this is a 5760. Let me try and divide this by 8. 720. Okay, so this looks like a multiple thing. Okay. Why? Because the decrease is very sudden. It's not a gradual decrease. When we find the difference, so I have 15, 10, 5. So I can see a gradual decrease. Here what is happening? 5760 and we are dropping to 8. Okay, so this is 8 ones-a. This is 8 twos-a. Then I don't know this question mark. 192 divided by 8 is 24. So this is 24 into 8. 960 divided by 8. 120. And 5760 divided by 8. 720. Okay. Let me even see. 960 divided by 192. How much is this? 5. Then 5760 divided by 960 is 6. Okay. So here, I'm trying to show the sum over here. I can even have here 5760 divided by 960 is how much? 6. Then I have 960 divided by 192 is how much? 5. Then 192 divided by x, I don't know. Then I have x divided by 16 is I don't know. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay. Why I have divided? Because the drop is very sudden. That is why I am using division. Now this is 2, this is dash, 5, 6. So can't I see that this is, I think this is going to be 3 and this is going to be 4. So some number divided by 16 is 3. So x will be equal to 16 into 3, that is 48. Now let me check. See, once you find this answer, always check with the other ratio also. Now let us see. 192 divided by 48 is how much? 192 divided by 48 is 4. Right? यही चाहिए था ना हमें, 4 ही चाहिए था. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can see that this difference is 48. So this number is 48. So B. So because I tried to do this way also, 8 ones are 8 twos are. Had this been 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are, I could have used this method. But I can see this is 8 twos are, then you have 8 24s are, then I have 8 120 times. So this is not going to work. So then I shift to the division. So first I try to find the difference. If I am able to, good. Then I try to check whether it is squares, cubes, etc. Then if that is also not possible, then I try to do this division. When the difference is a steep fall, then I do this. Okay, hope you've understood the 20th question, because it is a question where we are finding the difference is more of the division. Let us go to the 21st sum. Now I can see 1, 2, 2, 6, 6, 7, 7, 21, 21, 22, 22, 66. See, just by looking at this, I can see that this is not following any proper method, because after 6, I have 7, then I have 21, 22. Okay. Now I look deeply. First, I try to see the whole series. I'm not able to get anything. Now let me see. I can see this pair 2, 3, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66. Can you see that something is common? 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. So here 6 divided by 2 is 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 66 divided by 22 is 3. So that means this and this will also be. So 201 divided by x should give me 3. So what does that mean? X is equal to 201 divided by 3. How much is 201 divided by 3? Answer is 67. Okay. So 67 will be the correct answer. Here this first one, I have to leave aside. Okay. This one will not be relevant in my calculation. I have to just go on further and I will be able to find the answer. Okay. So here I have found that with direct 1 minus 2 minus 1, 6 minus 2, it is not giving me any proper result. But if I take it in pairs, 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 21. Or you can say 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 22 3s are 66. So that way, some number into 3 must give me 201. Okay. So you can just say multiplication also, or you can do the division also. Next sum is 44, 24, 96. And 192. So what can be the difference? Here 48 divided by 24 is 2. 96 divided by 24 is 4. And then 192 divided by 96 is how much? 2. 192 divided by 96 is 2. Okay, but see here what is happening? This number 24 is less than this number. Then so this is the middle number. So 24 divided 48 divided by 24 is 2. 96 divided by 24 is 4. Okay, so this is the middle number. So this middle number is such that this number 96 divided by this number should give me 2, and 192 divided by this number should give me 4. Okay, so this here, from here I can see 24 is in the middle. It's a smaller number. 48 on this side is 2 and 96 on this side is 4. So 96 divided by x should be equal to 2, and 192, this is 2, divided by this x should give me 4. Okay, so so x will be equal to 48. 96 divided by 2 is 48. Now let me see. 192 divided by 48 is 4. Okay, so 192 divided by 48 is also 4, which is correct. Okay, so my number is 48. So here I could see that this number in between is a smaller number. So I can see again there is a group of 3 each. Now here let us see the next sum. How much is this? 195 minus 165, difference is 30. 255 minus 195 is 60. Then 285 minus 255 is 30. Okay, so I think now this difference should be 60. So 285 plus 60 is 345. So 285 plus 60 is 345. And then 375 minus 345 will be equal to 30. Okay, so if I put it over here, then I will again get 30, 60, 30, 60. So the number is 345. So A is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so can we take a break here? Just let me see the questions. What are the questions? I hope you've understood. Yes, Chandan, very good. Yes, again in 22, you can have two series, 48, 96, 192, and then 24 this way also. Okay, so you can do that also. Because 96 divided by 48 is 2. Then 192 divided by 96, again you will get 2. So you can use two series also in this case. So in both, so you can use both ways. So this is 48, 96, 192. And this is 24 and question mark. I don't prefer this right now is because the number of terms given here are very less. Okay, that is why I don't prefer. But this is also valid if I have more numbers here. If they've given me like for the 24 series, I don't know what to do, right? Because there is no, at least I need one more number. So that is why I prefer this method. But this is also an equally valid method. Okay. Yes, Harshita. Varun? Yes, Varun. Very good, very good. Yes, Pallavi, we are doing this. Yes, Hiran, this requires only more of practice, okay? So the more you practice, these chapters on logical reasoning are something that they are very doable, okay? So let us take a 5 minutes break. Akash? Yes, 5 minutes break, please. Thank you. Now here, in the 24th question, can you see this 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 10, 10, 13, 13, 29, and 39. Here I can find the clear difference like 2, 3, and again I have a 3, right? So I'm not able to make out now what to do over here. Can I see a direct series? No. Can I see 2, 3, 3, 10, 10, 39? That also is not looking very bright right now. Okay, so I will have to see this. And then I will have to see what can be the possible answer. Now let me see. How much is this difference? How much is this difference? This difference is 1, 3 minus 2. Oh, the pen is not got selected. Okay. How much is this difference? 3 minus 2 is 1. Then this difference is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Let us take two numbers. Let us take pairs and see. How much is 5 minus 3? This difference is 2. How much is this? 13 minus 10. Because I am taking pairs. Pairs means two number एक साथ. 13 minus 10 is 3. Now how much is this? I don't know. Then how much is this? 177 minus 172 I know is 5. Then 1, 2, 3. So this difference obviously has to be 4. Okay. I can see that the difference is following a regular number series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number will be 39 plus 4 and which is equal to 43. Which option? C will be the correct option over here. So 24th C will be the correct option. Okay, let us move to 25th. Okay, here I would like to tell you that this number 214 I think is a misprint. It should be 120. Okay. Now 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, you know, this will give me a hint. If I know, you know, this is going to give me a hint if I know my squares and my cubes. What will happen over here? This is 2 cube minus 1 is 7. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 27. Is 7. Then 26. Once I see this 26, I know this is 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. Now, 4 cube minus 1. 4 cube is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. Then 5 cube minus 1. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 minus 1 is 124. Then 215. So let us see. 6 cube minus 1. How much is 6 cube? 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216. 216 minus 1 is 215. Okay. Then there is a question mark. So I think this question mark is 7 cube minus 1. Let me check. 8 cube minus 1. What is 8 cube? 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. 512 minus 1 is 511. So this number has to be 7 cube minus 1. So 7 into 7 into 7, 342 minus 1. So this is 343 minus 1, which is equal to 342. So answer is A and not B because it is 343 minus 1. So the series is in such a way. Clear? Now let us go to the 26th sum. Now here, see again, now here I can say 3, 7, 15, 31, 127. So there is a gradual increase. Okay. And this gradual increase has to be, I don't have to take pairs or 3 numbers together, you know. I think this is going to be okay. But let me check. So first I will always check with the simplest possible differences that I am able to find out. So let me see. How much is 7 minus 3? This is 4. 15 minus 7, this is 8. 31 minus 15, this is 16. Okay. So what can it be? 2, 4, 8, 16. So 4 twos are 8 twos are and 16 twos are. Let us see. 16 twos are 32. Now let us see. 31 plus 32 is 63. Then this will be 32 into 2. This is going to be 64. So let me see. 63 plus 64. How much is this? 127. Isn't this 127 same as this? So my assumption that this is into 2. 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So that is okay. So 63 will be the correct answer. So 26, D will be the correct option. Okay. Have you followed that? So let us go to the next question. The next question is 8, 28, 116. Okay. Let us see. 8, 28, 116. So this difference, because see, again what is happening here, I can see this jump is so much. From 8 it is going to 584. So let me see what I can do. Okay. Let me see. How much is 8 threes are? 8 threes are 24. But I have 28 over here. Okay. So what is this difference? This is 4. Now let me see 28 threes are. What is 28 threes are? Where's my calculator? 28 into 3. 84. No, this is also not working. 3 is 84. So what I do is I try to find whether there is any other method. So let me see what else can I do over here. Into 6. Let me see. So into 2 into 6. 4 into 6. Then 28 into 6. 168. Then 584. So what do I have here? This I'm not able to use into 3 also. So sometimes you will be able to do this type of sums like this. So I have to keep on trying. Okay. Now what is the difference? What is the relation between 28 and 8? What is 116 divided by 28? So 28 into 4 is 112. Okay, 112 plus 4. Okay. Then 584 minus 4 is this. Divided by 116 is 5. Okay, right. So that means I found the answer. So this is 8 into 3 is 24 plus 4 is 28. Then I have 28 into 4. 28 into 4 is 112 plus 4, which is 116. Then I have 116 into 5. 116 into 5 is 580 plus 4, which is equal to 584. Then I will have 584 into 6. 584 into 6 is 3504 plus 4, which is 3508. So D will be the correct option. Okay. See, I tried this 8 into 3, 24, but then I tried 28 into 3. I was not getting the answer because see, if it is 28 into 3, that is 84. But what is the number I have got? 116. So that means it is increasing still further, right? It is increasing still further. So that is why I tried 28 into 4. एक नंबर और थोड़ा सा बढ़ा के देखती हूँ क्या होता है. तो 28 into 4 किया तो 112 आया, which is very near the number 116. So I came to know. Okay. So I have to do it by trial and error. So 8 into 3, 24. But 28 into 3, I'm getting a smaller number. So I increased my multiple. So instead of 3, I'm using 4. Then I saw that 116 and 584, there is a multiple of 5. So that is how I have to do this sum. Now let us go to the 28th sum. How much is this? 6, 13. 12 plus 1, 26 plus 2, 28 into 2, 56, right. See, 6, 12, 24, okay, that way I am trying to see what is going to happen. 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, so that way also I can do, or the simplest method is this. This is 6 into 2 is 12 plus 1 I get 13. Then 13 into 2 is how much? 26. 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 into 2 is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. Then what will happen? 59 into 2 is how much? 118 plus 4, which is equal to 122. Okay. 59 into 2 is 118 plus 4 is 112. So what do I have? A will be the correct answer. Okay. There are many methods, but I find this simpler because then it is in order. So you will get the answer like this. $29 sum. What is this difference? 7 minus 2, difference is 5. 27 minus 7, difference is 20. 107 minus 27. 107 minus 27, difference is 80. Then 427 minus 107, difference is 320. Can you see in the next layer? 5 4s are 20, 20 4s are 80, 80 4s are 320. So 320 4s are. How much will be 320 into 4 is 1280. Okay, so this will be 1280. So you will have 1280 here. So 1280 427 into 427 plus 1280, that is 1707, right? So 427 plus 1280 is equal to 1707. So A will be the correct answer. So here you can see first layer and second layer. First layer I can see the difference 5, 20, 80, 120, 520, 80, 320 and so on. So what happens is again I have to see, because here again what is happening, 520 then 2080. I can see the relation that the difference is multiplied 4 times. Okay, so 5 fours are 20, 20 fours are 80, 80 fours are 320. So obviously 324s are how much? So 320 into 4 is 1280. So the number plus 1280 will give me the correct number. Okay. Now let us go to the 30th sum. Okay, this is one number is less and the others are more. So this is minus 3. This is plus 5. Then 2. Then 16 minus 9 will be 7. Yes. 25 minus 16 will be 9. Then 41 minus 25 will be 16. Okay. So what is happening over here? Here what will I do? Can I see what is happening over here? Yes. Because I can see over here this is 9, this is 16. Then what will happen ahead? What will happen ahead? So I should get a difference of 25, right? Because this is 2, okay, and this is 9, okay. So what is happening? 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 25, 41, okay. So this difference when I try to find out, I am not able to get the answer because this is 3, 5, 2, 7. So I have to again rethink. This is 5, 2, 7, 9, 16, 25, 41. Now I see 5 plus 2 is 7. So this 7 is 5 plus 2. These two numbers add. What is 9? 9 is 2 plus 7. So what is this number? This number is addition of the earlier two numbers. This number is the addition of earlier two numbers, 2 and 7. Now what will happen with 16? 16 will be the addition of 9 plus 7. Earlier two numbers for 16, earlier two numbers are 9 and 7. What happens with 25? Okay. So for 25, okay, for 25, 25 is addition of earlier two numbers. So what is this? Earlier two numbers before 25 are 16 plus 9, which is 25. Now what will happen here? Because they are asking this number, what will this number be? This number x will be equal to 45 plus 25, which is equal to 6 and 66. So B will be the correct option here. Okay. So here what is happening? We don't have any difference. We have addition, but addition of the earlier two numbers. So 7 is 5 plus 2. Then 9 is 2 plus 7. So, but I cannot directly. No, don't get worried if I don't get it directly. I purposely show it over here like this because the first thing that I'm going to do is try to find the difference. Now here when I found the difference, I found that it is minus 3, 5, 2, 7, 9, 16. I'm not able to find any relation between those differences. So I know that this is not working. Then I try to see what the numbers are trying to tell me. You know, the numbers are talking to you. So there you can see that 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is the way you are supposed to do it. Okay. So let us go to the next part where we have coding and decoding. So before that, I'll just check whether you have any questions still here. Okay. Good, Gopal. You are trying to do this. Shivam, it's okay. It's okay. Yes. The more you solve, the better it is. Okay, Gopal has started solving the next questions also. Very good. Now now we are moving to the coding decoding. Now Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Delhi coded? Okay. So here remember that you must know your this thing alphabet line also. Just let me. I haven't put it over here. Just let me put it. This alphabet line should be there. Just let me show it to you also. It's there in the textbook, okay? So there is nothing new I'm trying to tell you. So for A, we are assigning the number 1. For B, we are assigning 2. And for Z, we are assigning 3, that type. Okay? I'll just take it from there. Okay? So here, I've just put that alphabet series also over here. Now let us see. Madras is coded as, where is the pen? Madras is coded as N. So MADRAS. And it is coded as NBESBT. Now here, instead of M, I'm writing N. Instead of A, I'm writing B. So instead of D, I'm writing E. So can you see whatever that alphabet is, we are representing it with the next alphabet. So therefore, for Delhi, what will it be? What comes after D? E. What comes after E? F. L, I, J, K, L, M. H, I. And I, J. So E, F, M, I, J. E, F, M, I, J. So B will be the correct answer. Okay. So B will be the correct answer. Now let us see. Here they are saying Raman is written as 1, 2, 3, 2, 5 and Dinesh is this. How is Hamam written? Now here see in the 31st sum it was following this rule of writing the alphabets according to the its number. Okay. So A is 1, B is 2. Here it is not so. They have themselves given assigned any numbers. So let us see. Now RAMAN. What do I need? This is 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. And for Dinesh, it is 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 9. I need H. What is the number assigned to H? H is 9. What is the number assigned to A? A is from this number. So A is 2. What is it for M? M is 3. I can see it from here. M is 3. So M is 3. A is again 2. And again M is 3. So 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. 9, 2, 3, 2, 3 will be the correct answer. Okay. So in this question, they have given a separate code. They have given alphabets a number unique that they have designed themselves. And then you are supposed to find that code for the given word. Okay. Now red is coded as 6720, then green would be coded as what? Now in this question, can you see that there are 3 alphabets, but the numbers are 4? There are 3 alphabets, but the number are 4. Also, so that means it is not direct like this. Now let me see. What does the number 6 see from here? Can I see what is 6 representing? Okay, 6 is representing F. What is 7 representing? 7 is representing G. And what is R? R is 18. Now this becomes a problem. Now I don't know what to do about it, right? So what do I do? Now let me see. Here what is happening is that I can see that 6 is what? 6 is 2 numbers away from D. Let me just change the color. I can see a relation between D and 6, E and 7, and R and 20. Okay. Okay. So this means what I have to do, this sum I'm purposely doing in red is this. This means that this number I should write as D, E, R. I have to flip first the alphabets and then I have to use this. So instead of D, I have got 6, okay, which is plus 2. Okay, D number is 4, 4 plus 2. E number is 5, 5 plus 2, 7. R number is 18, 18 plus 2, 20. Okay. That means this number, this thing that I have to code has to be written as N, E, E, R, and G. Okay. What is the number for N? Okay. N is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Then E already I know is 7. R I already know is 20 now. And what is G? G will be 9. Okay. So I will first flip the alphabets and then do this. So how much will N be? N will be 14 plus 2. This is 16. E will be how much? 7. E will be 7. R will be how much? R is 20 and G is how much? 9. Okay. So that what is happening here is, what will be the number? 1677209. Do I have 1677209? C? Is C the correct answer? Is C the correct answer or A the correct answer? Okay, I have to now see, because this A and this C are mirror images of each other. Okay, so what is happening now is, I have seen that I reversed this number and I got my answer. Here also I have reversed this number and I have got the answer. Okay. Now next is 34. A is 1. FAT is 27. See, now there are three letters, but this is 27. Okay, so the number is reducing. Here in this question, what happened? We had 3 letters and the numbers were 4. Here my letters are 3, but my number is smaller. Okay, earlier some number was bigger, here this is some smaller, so that means I have to think in terms of summation. Okay, think in terms of summation. Now what is the alphabet, what is the number assigned to F? F is equal to 6, A is equal to 1, and T is how much? T is 20. Okay, where did I get this number? I am getting this from here. T is 20. So can I see here, if I add them up, this is 27, right? This is 27. So what will happen over here? What will I write for faith? F-A-I-T-H. F is 6, A is 1, I is how much? 9, T is how much? 20, H is how much? 8. So what will be the addition? 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 20 plus 8. That is 44. Okay, so is 34? Answer is 44. Okay. So I am purposely writing it in the space that is there for you in the question paper so that you know how you will be able to do this sums. Okay. Any questions till now? Yes, Gopal. Divyashri, which 29th you want again? Divyashri wants 29th. 2, 7, 27, 107, 427. What is the difference? 5. What is the difference? 20. What is the difference? 80. What is the difference? 320. Now, here I have to go one step further. How much is this? This is 20 divided by 5 is 4. 80 divided by 20 is 4. Then 320 divided by 80 is 4. Now this number, what number do I have next? X. X divided by 320 should give me 4. So X is equal to 4 into 320. How much is 4 into 320? 1280. Okay. So this number is 1280. So how much will this number be? 1280 plus 427, which is equal to 709. No, that is into 427. Okay, so that is into 320 into this same 1280 plus 427 is 170. Okay, this is so I'll add it over here separately so you can see. So what do I have here? 1280. So 1280 plus 427. So I have 7071707. Okay. Hope you have understood. Sanjana, just write it once. Don't write it a question again and again. Just breathe. Good, just breathe. You've done the next sum also. Yeah. Yes, Divishri, you understood? Okay, just Sanjana, just let me tell you. See, red, the word red, I have to write it in the reverse order. D-E-R. So for D, the number is 4, but here the coding is 6, 7, 20. So this is 6, 7 and 20. So what is the relation between D and 6? It is a number, like for D it is 4, then here I am putting 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. For E it is 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, that way. And here, so for green also I have reversed the alphabets and then written the number plus 2. For N it is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Okay. Okay. Now, if brother is coded as 2456784, sister is coded as this, what is for this thing? Now here, I can here, instead of writing for everything, I will just check. What is the code for B? From here, B is standing for 2. Okay, B is 2. So I will write 2. O is how much? Third letter. 1, 2, 3. For B, it is 5. For R it is 4. And I can verify. For R here is 4 and R here is also 4. Okay, so for R it is 4. Again I have B. B I know is 2. Then E. I have E over here. For E it is 8. So E it is 8. R it is again 4 and S it is sister. So S this is 9. So 2542. So you should just be careful even while selecting. 2542849. 2542849. So A will be the correct answer. Okay. Or if you find this difficult, you can simply write it B R O T H E R. What is B? B is 2. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8 and 4. And for sister, I will write 9, 1, 9, 6, 8, 4. So, for B, O, R, B, E, R, S, B is how much? 2. O is how much? 5. Okay, and so on. Okay, so from here I can find out. So now let us go to the next sum. So similarly, you will be able to do these sums. Okay. Now, let me see this. Now this is the code for this digit. Now we will see what we can do over here. So they have already given the code. So I simply have to see what is there for Z, D, R, C, V. So here I know C it is 8, Z it is 6, N it is 4 and so on. So for Z I can write 6. Then for D what should I write down? 5. For R you have 1, 2, 3. Then this is R it is 2. Okay. Then C it is 8. Then V it is 7 and F it is 5. Okay. So we have 6, 5. 6 D is 1. Sorry, D is 1. D is 1. Z 1 R is 2 8 7 5. 6 1 2 8 7 5. So for the 44th sum, answer is A. Okay, so this way. So for this code, you can again do it in a similar manner. Okay. Now let us see. The number in each question below is to be codified in the following code. So they have given you the code. Now this will stand for what? This number you can write it as what? What does 1 stand for? 1 is N. Okay. Then 8 is how much? D. Then 4 is how much? B. 6 is how much? J. 3 is how much? I. And 2 is how much? L. M, B, D, J, I, L. M, D, B, M, D, B, J, I, L. So, this will be the correct answer. 1, 8, 1, 1, 8, 4, 6, 3, 2. 6, 3, and 2. Okay. Now finding the odd man out. So what will happen over here? Here in this type of questions, one number is incorrect. Okay. So in this type of question, one number is incorrect. So what I have to find out which number is incorrect. Okay. I have to find out which number is incorrect. Now which sum should I take? Okay, let me take this 53rd. This difference is 2, this difference is 2, this difference is 4, this difference is 23 minus 18 is 5. Then this difference is 1, this difference is 2. So this way I am not able to find, because the difference is not simply the normal differences that I know of. So I must find some other way. Okay. So what is the other way I can use? This difference is 4. This difference is 6. Okay. This is 4. This is 6. What about here? This is 6. This is 7. So again, what is happening is that I am not able to see any similarity. So let me go further ahead. Okay. I'm purposely taking this sum because this is a little tough one. I tried to find the difference between 2. I tried to find the difference between 3. Now let me try to find the difference between 4. Okay. So I'm finding 10 to 18. What is the difference? 8. 18 to 26. What is the difference? 8. 14 to 23. What is the difference? 23 minus 14. Difference is 9. 16 minus 24. So 24 minus 16. Difference is 8. Okay. And 18 and 26. Difference is 8. So what number is incorrect? 23 is incorrect, because when I am moving 4, I am getting the difference as 8. So B will be the correct answer. That is the number which is wrong. Okay. So this is the way you are supposed to be doing the sum. So there are lots of sums. So next time when if we are able to finish the chapter on directions quickly, then we will be able to do it. Okay. Thank you for your patient hearing. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.